Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical leather table mat, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from leather table mat, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best leather table mat from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Elizo Real Leather Desk Mat Set. Large Desk Cover Blotter Protector. The Elizo Real Leather Desk Mat Set is a luxurious and functional addition to any workspace. Crafted from premium, full-grain leather, this large desk pad provides superior protection for your desk while adding a sleek, professional look to your office. Measuring 31 into 15.6 inches with a 2-inch thickness, it ensures a smooth, flat surface for your keyboard and mouse, replacing traditional mouse pads. This set includes not only the desk mat but also a matching leather tray and coaster, all made from high-quality leather for a cohesive, stylish desk setup. The antique color adds a touch of elegance, making it a perfect gift for professionals, bosses, or anyone who appreciates fine craftsmanship. Packaged beautifully, this set is a thoughtful gift for both men and women. With a 1-year extended warranty and replacement guarantee, you can purchase with peace of mind. Upgrade your desk with the Elizo Leather Desk Match Set and experience luxury at work. Number 2. YSAGi Genuine Leather Desk Mat. Thick premium table pad with stitched line. The YSAGi Genuine Leather Desk Mat is a premium desk accessory that combines luxury with practicality. Made from high-quality genuine cow leather sourced from New Zealand, this desk mat features a matte, smooth, and comfortable surface ideal for your workspace. With a size of 31.5 into 15.8 inches and a 4mm thick design, it provides ample space for your keyboard, mouse, and other desk essentials while offering a soft and durable feel. The anti-slip rubber base ensures the mat stays securely in place, preventing it from sliding during use. The manual stitched craft adds a touch of elegance with consistent stitching around the edges, highlighting its superior craftsmanship. This desk mat effectively protects your desk from scratches, stains, spills, and heat, making it the perfect addition to any office. Choose the YSAGi Genuine Leather Desk Mat for a blend of functionality and sophistication that will elevate your workspace. Number 3. Dacasso Pad Without Side Rails. Luxury Leather Blotter for Writing Executive Desk. The Dacasso Luxury Leather Blotter is the ultimate desk accessory for those who appreciate both style and functionality. Made from top-grain leather, this executive desk pad measures 19 into 30 inches, providing a spacious and luxurious writing surface. The rigid internal core ensures durability, while the felt backing protects your desk from scratches and keeps the pad securely in place. The sleek, railless design with seamless wrapped edges and gentle radius corners adds elegance and sophistication to any office. Perfect for small to medium desks, the Dacasso leather pad offers a superb writing surface that enhances your writing experience, whether you're jotting down notes or signing documents. This pad's rich black color complements any workspace and adds warmth and style. Handcrafted with attention to detail, this luxury leather blotter is built to last and provides top-notch protection for your desk, ensuring your office stays organized and professional for years. Number 4. Maxpearl Faux Leather Placemats. Set of 6. Waterproof, wipe, clean, heat-resistant. The Maxpearl Faux Leather Placemat set includes 6 stylish and practical placemats designed to elevate your dining experience. Made from high-quality faux leather, these placemats feature a beige color that adds sophistication and charm to any table setting. Whether it's for Mother's Day, Easter, Christmas, or Father's Day, they offer a simple yet elegant touch for both everyday meals and special occasions. Heat-resistant, up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. These placemats provide excellent protection for your table, preventing heat damage from hot plates and cookware. With their durable and fade-resistant material, they're easy to clean. Simply wipe them down or rinse under water. Ideal for indoor and outdoor use, they're perfect for picnics, parties, and family dinners. The 2mm thickness ensures a comfortable dining experience by reducing noise from plates and flatware. Add both beauty and functionality to your table with these long-lasting placemats. Number 5. Jovono Embossed PU leather placemats, waterproof coffee coasters, kitchen table mats. The Jovono embossed PU leather placemats set includes 4 beautifully designed placemats and 4 matching coffee coasters, offering both style and functionality for your dining experience. Made from 100% durable faux leather polyester, these flaxen-colored mats are waterproof, non-slip, and stain-resistant, ensuring a clean and elegant dining space every time. Each placemat has a round diameter of 13 inches, with coasters measuring 3.9 inches, making them ideal for both small and large table settings. The double-thickened design enhances insulation, protecting your table from heat, spills, and scratches. These mats are reversible, so both sides can be used for extended durability. Perfect for special occasions like Christmas, Halloween, and Thanksgiving, they're also great for everyday meals, restaurants, and cafes. Their easy care design makes cleaning a breeze. Just wipe them clean and they dry quickly. A fantastic gift for Mother's Day, Father's Day, housewarmings, and more. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.